far, holding Cordoba to a 1-0 draw before pulling off a dramatic come from behind against Cadiz. One of the people that will be looking to keep this game intense and quite serious. CBC wins the toss, both these sides, as they go on to start this encounter. Yes, squad for the preseason. Up and away we are for this encounter. It's Al-Ittihad that kick us off. We are taking the goals from the left-hand side of your picture towards the right, wearing yellow with black shorts, and Orlando Pirates in white with a touch of red. They'll be taking the goals from the right-hand side of your picture towards the left-hand side already. Kabi, put under pressure immediately by Nduli. Good to see Nduli back in the Buccaneers shirts. Spent the better part of the season out with injury. He's the former Stellenbosch man. Daba makes a mistake earlier on. Needs CBC to come to his rescue. So does Muremi, coming back to try and collect. First minutes of this thing. At least clean up the cobwebs because of not having any football in the few months. Now Orlando Pirates coming forward, shifting through the gears very quickly. Mahopa leaves it for Ndaba, thinks about a shot, leaves it for Muremi on his left. And Diaby, rather Danielo Pereira, cuts it out quickly.
Yeah, there was immediate pressure, and I guess he couldn't go full on. For that they can.
Well, Lely Corner doesn't yield the results for Evidence Mahopa. Good season is Evidence Mahopa. Pretty fair, you'd say, from the ref.
I guess so.
One of the Pirates rushing into the 18-yard area and leaves it for Mbata. Well, it is.
Scuffs the shot. He's coming with a little bit of momentum, and he could have done a lot better from what we know of him. He can do.
Forward they come again. A quick step over, looking to try and trick his way past Van Rooyen, pulled into the box and led it into the back of the net. Schwasser! Breakthrough comes in the 11th minute of.
Yalhambi is the provider, and you gotta maybe put it on the defender CBC. I think we'd like to hang it into that far post.
Hangs it.
Too close to the keeper.
Yeah. Easy for football from Al-Ittihad. Switching ends to the near side now. Looking for Diaby. Diaby was trying to connect and get. No. Diaby does well to keep the ball alive. Mbata looks for options. Light. Mbata looks for a teammate to enter the box. Ndaba. He sees his shot blocked. Intercepted with ease. El Kandi made a mistake. Can Orlando Pirates perfect? Well,
the reason why.
Giovanni Infantino has already hinted there may be new rules that may be adopted before we get to the World Cup 2030, the centenary of the FIFA World Cup. An opportunity here. Orlando Pirates able to get back into this encounter. What an emphatic response from the Buccaneers. From outside the box, talent Mbata, showing that he's a man of many talents.
Look, it came with the running to take shots, and it's shots that can beat a goalkeeper from that range. And we know Mbata what he can do from such a range. And didn't disappoint this time at all. Remember, he got one beginning of the game and he scuffed it, but this time allowed, giving
to continue their preseason as they build up to the resumption of the 26-27 season. As they go on to defend the treble that they won the previous season. The last time they won a treble, they did it 2 consecutive holes in that defense of Al-Ittihad. Now, Apollos looks for a crack.
A little bit disappointed with him because
brought down right in front of the referee. Just cries for help, falls on deaf ears of the referee, and ball gets away from him. But Orlando Pirates actually cover it again almost immediately after they've lost possession. Tito out wide, looking for a quick interchange of passes. Tito cut back, keeper did well, but not enough. Shwata. Well,
look at the interchanges, the passing, and he cuts it back there, and
yeah, confused by the offside call.
You tell me what went wrong here.
Yeah, but bemused. Maswangai. It's the Orlando Pirates breaking with pace now. What can they do when they're on their bikes? They're the most dangerous. Mahopa. Oh, keeper did well. Got down early. Still alive. Dispossess. Man who provided the assist. Links up. With Shakini. Ball into the center. Oh.
Wow. Defender. And look at this. He cuts into the front of the defender. I think it's Yema. Who, in the nick of time, just arrived.
And Al-Ittihad looking to try and shave through. Now Diaby gets it onto his left, looking to place it, and does so. Restores the lead for Al-Ittihad.
Yeah, they were found very wide open there. Once again, China gets beaten by a decent ball, but defenders caught into that far side.
And defending the left, where Al-Ittihad will be attacking from, looking to start on a front foot. Memish is the latest to have come in. Oh, knocking Eddie, looking to extend the lead as is. And hasn't really worked for them as well. Strike from a distance doesn't really get to where he would have wanted it is concerned. From quickly fixed. Oh, lovely ball. First touch a little bit too heavy. Able to get into it, and the keeper did well. Made himself big there.
Yeah, I hear your point. Yes, he made himself big, which is the point. But he made it look so obvious when intercepted.
Intercepted into the box it goes, and looking to try and clear it defensively, looking to keep it alive, desperately so. And there's a shot eventually coming through. Just couldn't really get it as well as he would have anticipated to get to the end of it. Pouncing on that opportunity. Moran Al-Safi.
A team normally lose a bit of the shape and the fluidity in which they played, and I think Orlando Pirates are in that state right now.
Now, looking to try and open defense. 10th minute of the second half. 2-1 it is from Al-Ittihad. They are piling on the pressure, looking to extend that lead. Wide they come. What can they do? Play back. Skipped over. Al-Gamdi. Keep it going. Well, was looking to try and feed it off to a teammate.